sunrise shot, nailed it, really happy, great start to the day. Today was new camera day. My mate Jason at Camera House sold me a shiny new Nikon, which I've unboxed, I've charged up the battery, and now I'm ready to go. So tomorrow I'm going to get up extra early to record and share with you my first day with the new Nikon Zfc. So I'm sitting in my car, it's very early, it's very dark, sunrise is in about half an hour and the drive is only 5 minutes, which gives me plenty of time to set up, enjoy the sunrise and also drink my cup of tea. I do love a cup of tea in the morning. Yeah, I'm excited because today I'm going to be using the ZFC, which I'm also using to record this video. So yeah, let's get going. When it comes to capturing the sunrise, there's always an element of luck to it. And on this morning, well, I just got lucky. A stunning sunrise and my first time shooting with the Nikon Zfc. I'm really happy with this first shot. Aperture f11 for a greater depth of field, ISO 125 and a shutter speed of 1/3 of a second. What a great way to start the day. I do really enjoy my morning walk with the dog. Usually we try to get in about 1 kilometre or 2. Sometimes, time allowing, we go to the dog park. It's a lot of fun, I enjoy it. This morning, don't have a lot of time because the dog's getting a haircut, so it's off to the dog groomers. You gonna get a haircut? Hello, how you doing? So that's the dog dropped off. Now I've got a bit of time to go take some photos. First, breakfast. Breakfast ordered. I've gone for the full English and a cup of tea. Fantastic breakfast. It's really easy to forget that it's still autumn here in Brisbane because it's beautiful today. It must be 25 degrees. People are out enjoying the sunshine, the coffee shops are busy. And I don't normally go out at this time of the day to take photos because the light here is so contrasty and so bright. But I have to be honest, today I'm absolutely loving it. What a gorgeous day. So the lighthouse was built in 1864 and apparently it's quite unusual because of the hexagonal shape. I didn't know that, by the way, I had to Google it. I thought I'd come and talk to you inside the car because it's incredibly windy out there today. It's a beautiful day, but it's very windy and it really messes with the video audio. I'm in a place called Cleveland Point, great spot. I come here quite a bit. It's got a really cool lighthouse that I like to photograph. There's a great fish and chip shop here. There's a play area for the kids. It really is gorgeous, and what a great place to come and play with the Zfc, which I'm absolutely loving. It's really, really cool. Just behind me over my shoulder, there's some mangroves, at least I think they're mangroves, growing out of the water, and there are some birds sitting in the mangroves quite a distance away, but it was a great opportunity to use this. This is the 250mm telephoto lens that I also picked up as part of the kit. I was able to zoom right in, and what I was very impressed with was the VR, the vibration reduction, which completely stabilized the lens. With a long lens, camera shake can be a real issue. The VR sorted it out. So I'm really excited about these photos. I'm really looking forward to getting back and checking them out. Just had a phone call to say that Boo's haircut is finished. It's time to go pick up the dog. So yeah, let's go. There she is. Hello. Thanks very much. See you. Bye. Absolutely beautiful, stunning morning in Brisbane this morning, and I had a lot of fun taking photos with the new Nikon Zfc, which I'm using to record this video. I'm now back in the office just for a few moments to pack my bag, and then my next stop is the city, because this afternoon I've been booked to do a one-to-one session, and this afternoon I'm going to be helping a lady get more from her Canon camera. So I need to pack the bag and off I go. The contents of my camera bag will change almost daily depending on what I might be shooting, or more likely who I may be teaching. So there's a brand new patisserie that's opened up in Brisbane. I'm a sucker for an almond croissant, so guess where I'm heading? Great, thank you. See ya, bye. So that was 15 minutes of queuing for a $10 croissant. Have to say the staff are really nice. Thank you, Lou. Just finished my one-to-one session. I've got a bit of time before I need to head back. So what I want to do now is I want to do some more testing with the Nikon ZFC, and what I want to do is get out of the sunshine and try this in low light. And I've got the ideal space to go and do this. It's the art gallery here in Queensland, which is always a pleasure to walk around. Yeah, let's do it. Fantastic space this, but very quiet. My day is done. I've really enjoyed using the ZFC, and will put together a full review video for this channel very soon. I want to leave you with these moon photos. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments section below. It is certainly not typical of what I share on my channel, but I had a lot of fun putting it together. The style of this video was 100% inspired by the great Casey Neistat. Link below to his channel. See you soon.